A quick recipe for liquid dough wraps. This recipe is for one person, so if you want more wraps, you need to adjust the ingredients. You can find them on the screen right now or in the box below the video. Mix all ingredients together. Now add the liquid dough to a pan which has been heated up on medium heat. Once the first side is cooked, flip the wrap on the other side. Repeat the flipping process over and over until both sides are slightly brown. Just look at all that air. That's so good. Once the wrap is ready, transfer it to a cooling rack. It's best to enjoy your homemade liquid dough wraps once they are still fresh and just so soft and delicious. Enjoy!